Today, let's discuss another form of parallelism, the synonymous parallelism. Synonymous, the same. Parallelism, similar structure. So it's a form of a literary or poetic device where the second line of a couplet or a stanza repeats or echoes the idea presented in the first line using synonymous or nearly synonymous words or phrases. So the repetition serves to reinforce the main idea or the theme. So here's an example from Psalm chapter 19 verses 1 to 2. The heavens declare the glory of God, the skies proclaim the work of the hands. You see, these two lines actually have the same meaning. And people do this in order to reinforce the idea. So, the heavens declare is synonymous with the skies proclaim. They both express the idea that the natural world reveals the greatness of Almighty God's creation. And synonymous parallelism is an effective technique if we want our idea to be reinforced and lodged in the brain of our readers and listeners.